Hey everyone, how's it going? Today is the first day of a multi-day installation, full body Incognito PPF from Autobahn, which carries a lifetime warranty on this C8 Corvette. It's going to be getting almost every surface covered by PPF and then ceramic coating with the wheels off. Come check it out. All right, before we begin, you notice that this car has full body, full car length racing stripes. And so you have three options when you have vinyl on a vehicle with PPF. You can go over top of it, which protects the stripes, but leaves a little air gap, and we leave that up to clients if it's an acceptable air gap or not. You can hand cut the stripe piece off and then leave the vinyl exposed. Not many people go for that option, but it is an option. And then you can also completely remove the racing stripes and then place the PPF and then put the racing stripes back over top. In this case, the client opted to have the PPF placed over the racing stripes. So we're gonna start by removing badges from the car, but we are gonna be keeping the racing stripes themselves on. All right, we're gonna remove this Corvette badging up front, which is interesting because I just put this fishing line underneath and it didn't even have tape up here. These are all generally hand placed at some point in the process. And so it's not recommended to place the bumper cut over these because it's an inconsistent placement from the factory. It is applied by humans. All right, next thing we're gonna do is remove the badges in the back. We have the Stingray logo here. I've already measured all these badges and created templates. We have a new Corvette emblem here, so I have this lined up. One more thing to mention when we're talking about the racing stripes is, one big benefit of PPF is it fills in scratches and is also self-healing. So vinyl is typically not repairable once it gets scratched, but PPF is. So that is one benefit of leaving the racing stripes on. All right, so you see the new emblems come with a template, so I've kind of taken this off the new lettering and drawn lines to line this all up and took measurements here. So we'll be able to replace this easier. And then I'll just put it back on the new OEM ones, or the new replacement emblems rather. Now these, so we're replacing the Stingray and we're replacing the Corvette, but these things are so tiny. It is so hard to get these practically fall off on their own. We've actually had a client where the V fell off while he was washing it. So they're so lightly on there that it's not worth trying to retape these and replace them on. It would be a disaster. So we replace these emblems when we do full body on Corvette. All right, we're gonna get rid of some of the kind of, I don't want to say etched in because they're not etched in yet, but we're going to get rid of some of these more stubborn bugs with P&S Bug Off, which has an enzyme that dissolves the bugs essentially so that the guts aren't left over. All right, and then you always see me use this. It's F-Bomb by American Detailer Garage. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. I always like to kind of get this in the crevices. This car will get practically a whole bath in F-Bomb. We're gonna get that in the wheels too because we're gonna be doing a wheels off package here. All right, I'm gonna foam cannon the car and then we're gonna use that foam as a clay bar lubricant and we're gonna wash it all down and then also use the foam to use a detail brush to get in the crevices before we start getting ready to apply PPF. All right, so we did the wheels off ceramic coating. We did a full body PPF with Autobahn films. The next thing we're gonna do is an interior ceramic coating, and we have leather specific, fiber / carpet specific, and even plastic trim specific ceramic coatings that we're gonna be applying to the interior. And it will help with some UV protection for long-term benefit of keeping it lasting on the interior and looking nice, and also the added benefit of no stains, or stains will be easier to clean. All right, the last thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be installing a ceramic coating on the entire vehicle, and this helps clean up bug guts and make road grime and bird droppings easier to remove. Now, our films are already extremely hydrophobic, but this provides an added layer that the majority of our clients opt for. All right, so I hope you enjoyed our 2023 C8 Corvette full body PPF with Autobahn films, wheels off ceramic coating on the exterior and interior. Stay tuned for more videos just like this.